Hi, my name is Sandeep and I am here to speak on how to improve your CIBIL score. Well, how to improve your CIBIL score is one of the frequently asked questions to us. CIBIL assigns a score on the basis of an individual's creditworthiness, which can range anywhere between 300 to 900. Higher the CIBIL score, the better his credibility in the market to repay the debt, and the better he is in a position to reduce the overall cost of debt. Now, there are more than 80 to 90 parameters on the basis of which CIBIL determines the score of an individual, using certain complex formulas which remain unknown or non-public. In such a scenario, it's important to know what could be the key factors that can play a role in improving your CIBIL score. Few of them could be like paying your dues on time, keep an optimal utilization rate on your credit, maintain a healthy mix of secured and unsecured debt, apply for new credit in moderation, such that too much credit is bad and too little credit is again equally bad. Since it's not possible for an individual to figure all the parameters, the implications of the same and the optimal levels of each parameters, we here at Credit Sudhar educate our clients and counsel them with the help of professional expertise on how this can be done, if at all. Our focus remains on the three most important stages of restoring, enhancing and protecting the credit of an individual. In the first stage, that is the restoration phase, we pull out the credit report of an individual from all the major credit bureaus and do a multi-bureau credit analysis to check his current credit health. On the basis of that, we draft a score improvement model for that particular case, keeping in mind all the key factors. We assign a dedicated NACCC certified credit counselor who operates on a 20-day touch-up module with the clients. In this stage, we also take care of error tracking, reconciliation and legal facilitations if required. In the second stage, that is the enhancement process, our experts employ money management tools to work on the drafted score improvement model. We also extend tax advisory, assistance in loan processing and Credit Sudhar finance services to the clients to attain his future financial goals. In the third and final stage, that is the protection stage, we take care of covering the client against potential damages that he might incur in the event of identity theft, ATM assault and robbery, and lost wallet, via an insurance coverage of 2,55,000. In this stage, we also keep a strong monitoring over the CIBIL score for sustainable improvement. Thank you.